All right, here's a look inside the frame of this taco. So this is year 7 on this frame, and it's had fluid film applied either annually or biannually inside of it. Based on what I'm seeing, which is well oiled inside of this frame, got some dirt stuck to it, but I don't think I'm going to oil it this year, on the inside of it anyway. See a lot of oil, fluid film, but I don't see any rust inside that box. Definitely dirt in there. And that's looking at the top of the frame right now. And that's looking at the bottom, inside the box. Dirt in there, but I don't see rust. Here's a look toward where the first frame rotted out. And you see some dirt in there. And I see some orangish fluid film piled up in the bottom of that box. Piece of a leaf or something, but I don't see any rust. Look at the top of the box. Still wet. That seam where it's welded together is not rusted out or rusting at all. All right, so I'm not going to oil the inside of that box, just the outside this year.